The most popular taco in Mexico is al pastor. We're gonna do a homemade version that is incredibly fresh, tasty, and spicy. Dry smoked chipotle, guajillo chili, cloves, pepper, cinnamon, bay leaves, pineapple, garlic, ginger in powder or fresh, onion, chipotle adobo, cumin, and dry oregano. Guajillo is a medium heat kind of chili. Chipotle is a smoked and dried jalapeno, so it's really spicy. Taking out seeds is taking out heat. Marinate the meat overnight and keep the rest of the marinade for another time. The first thing to do is to take out the butter, because it has to be at room temperature. Mix your dry ingredients together. This will break up the clumps and distribute the salt evenly. Wash your hands and mix the butter with the flour until you get a coarse texture. Pour the water into your mix. Tip: use only one hand and don't add any flour. You know the dough is ready when it doesn't stick to the bowl. Work the dough for a couple minutes. Keep it covered with a wet tissue and get something to dispatch the little balls. Portion, shape, and let them rest for at least half an hour. This will allow you to have nice discs afterwards. Let's do the guacamole and the onion coriander topping. Caramelize the pineapple 5 minutes per side. Cook the tortilla 1 to 2 minutes per side. Grill the meat on a super hot pan so we get a beautiful color. Clean your pan and caramelize some onions while you cut the meat. Thank you for watching and enjoy that little trip to Mexico.
Please subscribe.